The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the enemy with up to 2 company tactical groups, reinforced by mercenaries, attacked Russian positions in the direction of Nikolaevka and Orlanka in Kharkov region. All the enemy attacks have been repelled. Up to 60 Ukrainian personnel and militants, 1 tank, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickup trucks were eliminated. In Krasny Liman direction, the battalion tactical group of the armed forces of Ukraine attempted an offensive in the direction of Chervonopopovka of the Lugansk People's Republic. Russian troops impeded the hostile advancing units. As a result of the fire damage, more than 120 Ukrainian personnel, 3 tanks, 4 armored combat vehicles and 4 pickup trucks were destroyed. In the Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, 2 reinforced company tactical groups of the armed forces of Ukraine attacked the positions of the Russian troops in the direction of Malaya Alexandrovka in Kherson region and Chernovye Pody in Nikolaev region. The enemy's offensive was upset by Russian firepower. The Ukrainian troops were driven back to the initial positions. More than 60 Ukrainian servicemen, 7 armored fighting vehicles and 4 cars were destroyed. In total, 326 airplanes and 163 helicopters, 2,353 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 6,104 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 876 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,531 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,805 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.